Oh my god, imagine if I filmed my videos like this, like you can only see my mouth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, weird angle, right? But I think this is better than the previous angle, right? I was filming my previous video, which will be up by now, my most used handbags of 2020. If you haven't seen it, go click on it. During filming, I got a delivery, which was actually supposed to come tomorrow, but I'm not gonna say no thank you to a delivery. That's too early. Like, what am I, nuts? But I wanted to unbox this with you because this is something exciting for me, but maybe for you as well. Like, we are here to appreciate the frivolous things in life on this channel, aren't we? So let's get into unpacking. I will change the camera angle so that you can see better. Okay, so let's open it up. Whoop. Oh crap, it's stuck here. Yeah. It's a Louis box. And let's open it. Bye-bye. I'm trying real hard to do it as gracefully as possible. A Louis box. Exchanges, blah, 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 blah. All that. That's great. I don't need this anymore. Oh, crap. Gotcha. Whoop. Okay. And it's a weird box. Oh, yeah. No, it's not weird. It's not weird. I'm weird. It's a sliding box, so some of you will know what that means. And I got myself the Bum Dia. Where's the other one? Oh my god. Thank god, it's in another dust bag. I don't think that they were in two separate dust bags. Hold on. There they are. These are the Bum Dia mules in a size 42 Italian or European, whatever you want to call it. Those are literally fresh. Those are so fresh. So those are the new mules and those are my old ones. I know, right? Okay, hear me out. Now, these ones, this is an item that I have been eyeing as well ever since they came out. Why? Because this is my style. Anyone who knows me knows that I love Birkenstocks, and Birkenstocks are not a sexy shoe. They're like, oh my god, she looks so good in Birkenstocks. There's this Estonian blogger called Christiana. I will link her Instagram down below. I love her aesthetic, her photos, and I'm really proud of her because she's from my country. So go check her out. Tell her I sent you. You're not going to regret it. She's a really lovely woman and she has like beautiful content. And she wears those and she's worn that for like 2 summers straight, if I'm not mistaken. And the way hers have aged and kind of like rolled up a little, you can see that they are really practical and they've trying to tell you how much I love those. When I saw those, when they came out on Louis Vuitton, before I saw it on her, I was like, wow, this is really right up my alley. But I have a big foot. I have a size 42 European, but my luck is that these are like slippers. So the little bit of fatso that I have like flowing around is going to be perfect in this shoe. But if I buy a 42 boot from Louis Vuitton, it is too small. So this is my only way to get a Louis shoe that to me is like acceptable. And what I mean by acceptable is that I don't want to have a sneaker that is like filled with monogram. I don't need that. This to me is really, again, like a twist of something that I actually love and enjoy so much. I don't like slippers that just are like super flat. I love the look of them, but they are not good for your feet. And these ones are just, I don't know. It's like the best of both worlds. I love them. And why did I buy a second pair, you ask? Because I don't want to take the chance that my size will never be in again. I've been staring at my size in stock for the past couple of months. At some point they went out of stock and then they came back in. I know that I'm going to like love them and use them so much that I basically needed a second pair, a pristine pair that I'm going to, oh, there's like, it's so fresh that there's a piece of plant. Okay. I know that I'm going to use these ones so much. I have used these ones so much already. I probably need to get them oomphed a little bit before next season, but I want to wear them carelessly. And because I love this style so much, I thought, why not? Why not do this? This to me is a practical purchase because I will wear them every single day in the summer. Like truly, I will do that because this is primarily what I live in. And this also gives the Birkenstock a little, I don't want to say a break, because you would want to have a break from these in the sense that you would want to like not have them wear out, but in the sense that it's something a little bit more stylish. And yet, you know, when I'm wearing them, it's not like you can see from afar that this girl is wearing Louis. It's, I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. And so, and also, it's only the past years that I have really been drawn to gold detailing on shoes and on accessories. I used to be the girl who was like silver only, like everything like white gold or silver. And now, yeah. Anyways, I'm just trying to come up with excuses on why I got it, but I'm so happy I did. I know that these are a really practical pair of luxury. And for me, moving on, this is what I want to invest my money into. I'm not going to buy mindlessly. I'm not going to like hoard on hundreds of handbags. I want to have pieces that I really wear, that are not going to sit in my closet because I'm never allowed to touch them. For me, luxury is like buying this and using it and not looking back. But I know that I can look back because I have a second pristine pair. So this will also like mentally help me to, I've never had slippers that cost so much. Like it's ridiculous. Okay. To me, it was like ridiculous. I am fine paying an amount of money for like leather boots. This is not even a leather boot. This is like canvas, but it has a leather inner lining. Oh, anyways, I love those. So this is it. And this is probably the last unboxing you'll see this year because this year is about, you know, forget about this. This year is actually about mindfulness, about self-search, about self-growth and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not gonna get into it in this video, but I just want to say that that was it. The end. This channel is gone. No, don't worry. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I hope this was somewhat entertaining. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye.